guys, so we are back to the month of October, which means, drum roll please, it is officially Halloween season, and those of you that have been around my channel for a while know that I absolutely love Halloween. And so obviously I want to do a Halloween video for you this year, and so today I'm actually partnering with Value Village, who have sponsored this video, and I'm going to be showing you guys some Halloween costumes for when you are single. And I can name it. And this is actually my second year getting my costume at Value Village, and their selection is huge, so it makes it really easy to find a costume. There are so many costume ideas out there that it's often hard to decide what you want to be, but even just going in and walking around the store, it gives you a lot of inspiration, and that's actually what I did this year, and I'm about to show you what I came up with.
We're going under, and there's nothing we can do. The final hour before we let it go to rest. It's such a heartbeat pounding in your chest in this story.
Backlash written on me, card popping on a glass bowl. I've been ballin', free my ladies and counting down. I'm already out, already on the countdown. I'ma set it right.
Alright, so this first costume is for those of you that want to command attention but show people who's boss. You don't need no man. You are a strong, independent woman, evil, spy, fighter, lady. You can go with any mix of those words. And so for this costume, I wanted a really fun staple piece. And so I actually picked up this really long leather coat from the coat section, and this is just such a unique piece. And then obviously, because we're going for the spy villain vibe, we have to stick on a mask so nobody knows it's you as you're fighting evil out in the world. And then I decided to pair it with this really fun red wig, which is kind of giving me some like Scarlett Johansson vibes in some of her movies. And then obviously you need something to fight off the evil, so I decided to pick up these double ninja swords that you can just like whip around your back. So this is a really great costume for those of you who want to show off who is boss this Halloween. Alright, so moving on to the next costume. This one is going to do the complete opposite as the other one, and that is to scare everyone away. So if you just don't feel like talking to anyone this Halloween, you're just like, I'm just gonna do me, just have a good time, I don't need to talk to anyone other than my friends, then this might be for you. So this is a scary zombie doll, and what's really fun is you can get very gory with the makeup, which is kind of what Halloween's all about, am I right? So you gotta get some fake blood, obviously, and then I decided to pair it with this zombie dress and wig as well to top it off, and you're just gonna be spooking everyone, just hide in some closets, jump out behind doors. You're gonna have a grand old night, trust me. So moving back to being the center of attention, this one is a really fun DIY for those of you that just want to show off that you are the queen that you are, and that is a DIY Miss Universe costume. And so to make this costume is pretty simple and easy. You just need a few supplies, and so I picked up this black tulle skirt, and it had a bit of sparkle detail on it, which I felt kind of looked like the sky, so it was fitting with the whole universe thing. And then to make the planets, I am just cutting it out of felt, and then you can either use a safety pin or some tape, and then just put that right on the skirt. Pair it with a black tank top, and so obviously you need a crown because every Miss Universe has a crown, and so stick that on top of your head. And then last but not least, you want to make a sash that says Miss Universe, and so you can either buy a sash that's pre-made and then just write Miss Universe on the front, or here I'm doing a quick DIY version. So I actually just bought a white tablecloth, and then I'm going to be cutting out the shape of a sash, taping it at the bottom, and writing the words across, and ta-da, you are officially the center of the universe. Maybe that's something you've always wanted, or you feel like you already are, so congratulations, your dreams have finally come true. last costume, we are going to go the funny route, which I personally think is the most fun to do during Halloween, because you'll have people coming up to you being like, I get your costume, or they might not get it, and then you have to explain it to them, and then it gets awkward, but hopefully that doesn't happen to you. So for this costume, we are doing the "but that's none of my business" meme. So to reenact this meme, you do have to dress up as a frog. And so I found this really funny frog hat with gloves in the Halloween section. And then I just picked up this green long sleeve shirt. And then to make it look like the meme, you wanna get a piece of felt and then just cut it out in zigzag pattern and then attach that onto the shirt with some glue. And then to finish off the costume, you wanna make a little sign that says, "but that's none of my business." And then to just poke 2 holes in the top, tie some string around it. You can stick that around your neck, carry a mug around, and there you go. So that is the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and also huge thank you to Value Village for sponsoring this video, and I hope it gave you some inspiration for this year's costume. And if you guys need even more inspiration, definitely make sure to check out Value Village's website, which I will leave linked down below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe and spooky Halloween, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.